FBI.
FBI Baltimore.
Yes, my name's Dwayne Davis, and I'm calling because I need to speak to a duty officer concerning evidence that I gave you for a case. I got a letter from the Department of Justice, and they gave me a docket number, a case number.
Yes.
And I need the material that I turned over to you to turn over to the Department of Justice, Eric Holder, for an investigation about corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County.
Just a moment.
Hi there, Mindy. Good morning, everyone. Looking at some extra delays now southbound on 95, leading up to the Fort McHenry tunnel. You can see the right lane of the left 2 ticket out. That
You have reached the Federal Bureau of Investigation's public access line. This call may be recorded or monitored.
I'm recording your call too.
That's the scene of a crash plus we're looking at added delays now on the inner loop leading up to 795 all the way over towards the area of the JFX southbound at 19 miles per hour.
Yes, my name's Dwayne Davis, and your name is? Zachary?
Yes.
All right, my name's Dwayne Davis. I have a case number from the Department of Justice, case number 2911907, and I turned over evidence to you exposing corruption under Governor O'Malley, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pierce, and Judge Bell, concerning the prison industry and the treatment of inmates. And I need that material forwarded to the Department of Justice for this case, and it has to be there by December the 29th of this year. So I need to either come pick up my material that I gave you, or you forward it to them, but we need to get that material. I need that evidence back. It was a whistleblower's application that I filed with your department, and it was also some storyboards and some DVDs and videos exposing these people for what they was doing. I'm a whistleblower, and I was locked up illegally, and I need my evidence back, Mr. Zachary. So what is... Pardon me?
We won't be able to give you that back.
Why is that?
Turn it over to us.
I turned it over to you to hold in the event that I was murdered or killed. It was to keep me safe, and y'all did nothing with the evidence.
If another department needs the information, they would have to request it.
This is what I'm saying. They sent me a letter telling me to send them the information. I've asked y'all for this information legally through a subpoena, and you refused to return the information even though I had it subpoenaed through the court. Now the Department of Justice, Eric Holder, is asking for this information, and you're telling me that you're not going to give it to me?
Telling that you need to have them request that information from us directly.
And who would I ask for this? What name would I put on this? Because I've asked Richard McFeely and his supervisor. McFeely's not there anymore, so who would I talk to?
I don't know who those people are, sir.
Richard McFeely is
whoever you have been in contact with at the Department of Justice. You'll just need to ask them to have that information requested by the Department of Justice.
So I have to have the Department of Justice ask for the information to be, for your department to turn over my material and my information that I voluntarily gave to you to have an investigation in which your department refused to do, correct?
Correct.
Alright, this phone call is recorded?
Yes, sir.
How can I get a copy of this phone call? I filed 2 Freedom of Information Acts with y'all, and y'all never responded to them either.
Okay.
And your name is Zachary. You're the duty officer, correct?
No, sir. Duty officer.
All right. Well, Zach, I recorded the phone call myself just to make sure that we don't have any misunderstandings.
Fantastic.
Thank you. I'll be talking to you again, Zach.
You have a great day.
Yes, sir. Now, this is the Department of Justice letter asking for the material and the evidence concerning my case. That's my case number. And I just got off the phone with the FBI, and you heard the FBI telling me that they're not going to give it to me. So the Department of Justice needs to contact the FBI, get all my material from the Baltimore division of the FBI, and have a full investigation concerning the corruption under Governor O'Malley. That's Mr. Bailey. And this letter details everything that I was doing. And it also names the people involved: President Barack Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, the director of the FBI, Governor Quinn, Governor O'Malley, the Lake County Board, George Bale, Carl Snowden, Eric Holder, Secretary Hillary Clinton, Senator Cardin, Karen Parks, Roland Martin. See, because all these people had the material, and this was legal. Y'all locked me up for blowing the whistle on the corruption. And that's when y'all got this. You locked me up February of 2011. It was what it was. It was a documentary about the corruption in the courts. The same way that you did Eric Garner, Booker T. Wells, Tyrone West. You're not giving us access to the grand jury. And this is an identity affidavit. So y'all need to do what y'all do. Y'all gonna defend our rights because it is what it is. The Department of Justice asked for it. I have an open case, and that's the case number. We got rights under the Constitution. You're gonna have to do it. Like I said, I recorded the calls. We're gonna send this to the Department of Justice online today.